To achieve true leadership mastery, it is quite helpful to have a plan in place. How do you want to evolve? How do you want to transform as a person, as a leader? And setting objectives is very natural when you think about how you currently work in your business environment, in your organization, on your products. It's clear that OKRs, for instance, as a framework, have proven to work very well, and there's all kind of tweaks to them in the past 5 to 10 years. Things evolved quite sophisticated when it comes to OKRs, goal setting, and so on. And the reason companies and organizations adapted OKRs is because it's a very good framework. If you think about, there is this North Star, which are these objectives, and then there's key results that are also clearly measurable, so that you can see what kind of progress you make. And when it comes, however, to your own growth as a person, as a leader, OKRs, this is what I'm basically suggesting. Personal OKRs, to be more precise, is something that can be quite helpful. So, and that which I wanted to share in this video and motivate to really think about your own personal OKRs, because that gives you a whole effort of transforming, of growing as a person, as a leader, a framework that similarly, like when you manage a product or your business, you manage yourself and you have a clear direction then, and also a measurable way of figuring out where to go. And so that's why I call them personal OKRs, can become quite helpful. And when I started doing this many years ago, because before that it was personal growth, leadership growth was always more random type of thing, which usually, of course there can be some progress, but at the end of the day, if it's not systematic, if there's no clear plan in place, it's always hard, and what you achieve is, again, more or less, can be some good things, of course, coming out, but it's not systematic. And this visibility and this clarity on your personal growth, when it comes down to personal OKRs, this is something that really then can take your overall growth as a leader to the next level. And so what is helpful then, once it's clear that personal OKRs is something that can be used as a tool, I thought about what kind of framework now can I use to support this growth. And over the past years, the idea or the concept of a high-performance mind, which I'm talking about in many different videos, has proven really to support this very nicely, because at the core of the high-performance mindset there is these three pillars. There is more awareness, cultivating more awareness. There is upgrading the mind, the software, so to speak, and then there is the hardware, the body. And so if you think about mind, body, and awareness together, these three combined can really make this difference. And that's why the high-performance mindset as a framework helps you then to organize those OKRs. More particularly, you can then go into key results that are aligned with the high-performance mindset, and they give you ideas on how to measure certain things. Like, let's say you want to become more focused, you want to increase your level of focus, then you can use the high-performance mindset as a framework and say, well, focus, what do I need? Do I need probably more awareness? For sure. I probably need an upgraded mind that doesn't get distracted all the time when stuff comes up. And I probably need more energy in my body to sustain the state of flow and focus. And so you can see very quickly that this is a really good combination of how things can be aligned. And therefore, this is what I'm proposing, is use personal OKRs, combine them with the high-performance mind framework. And how to do this, I'll share in my upcoming meetup with tech leaders in January. And so if this sparks some interest, I hope to see you there.